Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to clean a headset. Now that may sound easy, but let me tell you, we refurbish headsets here and there is some gross headsets out there. So I'm going to show you how we clean headsets here at Headset Advisor. So let's get started right now. For those of you that are new here, my name is David. This is the channel Headset Advisor, where we review and compare the latest business headsets, speakerphones, and webcams to help you make a better buying decision. So consider hitting that subscribe button and notification bell. All right, now before we begin here, you need to make sure that you have a few things here. First and foremost is a toothbrush of some kind. You know, you could use yours if you want, but I wouldn't recommend that because it does get kind of gross. And then of course we have our Headset Advisor cleaning wipes here that are sanitizing and also cleaning, and they are safe for electronics because some cleaners may damage your plastics or may damage your electronics. So you just want to make sure that you use something that will clean your equipment properly. Alcohol works really good as it's quick drying and safe for electronics. So something to keep in mind. And then I also have Skittles. This is going to be after we complete our job to give us a little treat after doing such a hard work here. So let's get started on cleaning. So what we're gonna do first is I have a dirty headset here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but typically the speakers will have earwax buildup of some kind. And if you're using foam ear cushions, you're gonna wanna take these foam ear cushions off right away. These are done. You're not gonna be able to get all that stuff out of there. So let's get rid of that. We have a replacement ear cushion here, but we're gonna wait until we are done cleaning to get that taken care of. Now, if you have leather or leatherette ear cushions, kind of like this headset here, you can more easily clean the cushions safely and sanitarily. But if not, then I would recommend replacing them if your headset has the ability to be able to be replaced. And if you're not sure, you can always reach out to our team, info@headsetadvisor.com, for the best information on replacement parts for your specific headset. There is also a cushion, a windscreen is how they call it, that goes over the front of many wired or wireless headsets. And if it gets dirty because a lot of us like to eat at our desk and it's time to get a new one. If you have anything foam, stuff gets stuck in there and it's just almost impossible to get out. So you're going to need to get a replacement microphone cushion. So before we get started on cleaning here, I do want to let you know we are offering, if you have 10 or more headsets at your office, we will give you a free pack of Headset Advisor wipes. Just go to headsetadvisor.com/wipes. That's headsetadvisor.com/wipes, and just enter in your information and we will ship you out a box of 50 of these Headset Advisor wipes absolutely free, just to help you out. Make sure that your headsets are sanitary and clean, which is always a good thing to do. All right, so let's get started right now. So first things first is we have to clear out any of the crevices that you have. So if you have any holes like in the microphone boom, that's typically where you have stuff like your food left over. And then of course you have in the speakers, you have earwax or buildup of some kind. That's typically the two dirtiest places. And the third place is the top of the headband. Those are typically the three dirtiest places that you really need to pay attention to. So let's get started. We're just going to use our toothbrush and we are going to wipe out the stuff inside of the speaker housings in each of those holes. You're gonna want to really rub it there. So just keep scraping. And if you have stuff that is not coming out, I recommend using alcohol to help you break down that debris, and so you can get it out easier. So you just scrub in a circular motion, up, down, kind of just get all of that earwax out of those holes so that they're nice and clean there. And then you're gonna look at any other cavities, any other places that you might have dirt or debris. And we're just going to knock that out of any of those places. There's holes here. And then of course you have holes on the edge of the microphone boom here. So go ahead and get all of that out of there. Okay, look for any other crevices that could have some dirt buildup. Double check the headband there. We got another hole here, so just make sure that's clean. And then you have this crevice on the side of your head. You want to make sure that there's no dirt or debris in there. All right, so once we have all of that done, just going to check the cable here, make sure that's good. Okay, so now let's get into it here. Let's get our headset divisor wipe here. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're gonna start with the microphone boom. We're gonna go ahead and clean that up, wipe that all down, make sure that's nice and clean there. I'm gonna go ahead and get in between all the cracks and crevices in here. Just wipe that wipe all around. Don't wanna worry about wasting the wipe, so just use as many as you need. When it all dries out, we're gonna wipe the headband, the adjustable headband. You're gonna pull out the adjustable headband so that it's all clean there. You're gonna spend some extra time and attention on the parts that actually touch your head. So we're gonna get inside this cavity. We're gonna wipe this rubber. It can be a real pain to clean the rubber sometimes, as it just is stubborn. So we're just going to wipe that down. All right, we're gonna get in that cavity here. Getting all that, getting all the cracks and crevices. All right, and we're gonna keep going here. And this is where we're gonna spend some extra time on the speaker housing, just to make sure that is all clean there. Just wipe it all away. And we're gonna keep going here. So as you can see, we're getting a lot cleaner now. And then we'll wipe our cable up, make sure it's nice and clean so that our cable is clean. And then our connection, of course, you wanna make sure that is still a proper connection for your headset. And if you have a wired one, of course. All right, so now, as you can see, we had a lot of dirt on there, a lot of debris. That is dirty. So let me just take my clean cloth, wipe it up, make sure all that residual alcohol is cleaned up, and we can dry it off. Okay, now let me put on my ear cushion here. And it just slips right on here. Now my ear cushion is on. If you had the Oro Sound Tilt Pro, all you have to do is get replacement ear cushions and rotate them on. This is one of my favorite wireless headsets right now. I'll put a link to this product in the description below, but this is an awesome noise canceling headset that is from France and really cool. Okay, so now we got our headset. It's all clean, so we are all done here. So let me go ahead and take out another one of these wipes. Go ahead and wipe up my hands here. So again, if you want a box of these alcohol wipes, the headset divisor wipes that will help you keep your headsets clean and sanitary, just go to headsetadvisor.com/wipes. We'll even toss in a packet of Skittles so you can enjoy all the fruits of your labor. You get that? I really love the purple Skittles. Matches the purple logo. So there you go. That's how to clean your headset very quickly, very easily. Again, you want to make sure to replace any parts that you can, such as your foam ear cushion or that microphone screen. And if you need help, our team is here to help you. Contact will be in the video description below. And I'll put a link to the in-depth review we did of the Oro Sound Tilt Pro that I was just showing you, so you can check it out there and learn more about it if you want. Really appreciate you coming by and watching this video. We'll see you next time.